When we turn on the laser, it doesn't come on. How to fix it? Make the frequency 28. Then turn on the fire button. Put a piece of black paper here. Nothing left on the laser point. First, you need to adjust the screw. Loosen or tighten it slowly. Until you can see this bright spot on the paper. Of the black paper, you can see a light spot. Now the laser works. We need to continue to set the laser to perfect situation. Turn another screw slowly and carefully. Turn it bit by bit. Keep turning until the brightness of the spot reaches peak. Now turn off the fire button. Turn down the frequency. Frequency to 6 Hz. Then turn on the fire button again. If you can still see the bright spot, you need to continue to turn down the frequency. Make the frequency 1 Hz. Turn on the fire again. There is almost no bright spot. Then adjust the screw very slowly. Try to make the bright spot at its peak. Turning to the left, the light gets weaker. That shows we need to change the direction. Turning slowly. Try to make the brightness of the spot maximize. The brightness of the upside and downside are the same, but the spot is semicircular. This screw controls the brightness of upside and downside. Another screw controls the brightness of left side and right side. Adjust it slowly until the brightness of both sides are equal. Now the spot gets more complete. Almost perfect round shape. Let's check on the circuit. Turn off the fire button. Turn trim max. Starting the laser. Problem solved.